Hello, today I will show you how to create a keygen key generator for great computer game Tiberian Sun. It was released in 1998, so it's pretty old one, but I was really enjoying this game as a child. So we will create file like this. You can generate a key by pressing here, generate, or just pressing enter on your keyboard. So let's say I will choose this key. So let me copy and paste on my other monitor. And let's take one more key. So let's do the same operation. This one, let's copy and paste on my other monitor. Now let's launch. Now we can launch the installer of the game. Press next. Agree all terms. And here we have to type a key which I copied before. Press next. Yes, this was correct. Now we can install the game. Let's go back and check other key. Press next. Again, it was correct. But what if we type bad key? Let's type random numbers. Press next. And you can see the message. This number you have entered is incorrect. So how this key is generated? Let me explain you. Those three parts of numbers, from those is generated a hash, and second hash is generated by the last part. So we have two hashes, one hash from those three, and second hash from the last one. And if those hashes are equal, then the game think the key is correct. So let's launch now OliDBG and let's go deep into it. Okay, here is this installer setup. Open in Oli. And now very important is to use program as turbo top or similar, which allow you make a window visible always on the top. Otherwise, you will be not able to switch into Oli window from installer of game. So here is turbo top, and let's check the debugger Oli. Now you can see Oli is always on top. Other windows are below. Without turbo tap, you will get crash and you won't be able to switch to Oli again. So I have already set a hardware breakpoint in Oli. Here is the algo of generation to generate a key. So let's run the program under Oli. Next, I agree all terms. Let's type a key, wrong key. Press next. And here we have Oli DBG. So let's launch the key generator till the return by pressing Ctrl F9. Let's step over. Step over till the jump. Here is our conditional jump, and if we change the flag to 0 flag to 1, then the game will think that key is correct, even if it's not. So let me show you. You can see the key window disappeared, and now we are able to install the game. But it's always the best way use keygen than just byte patching. So let me show you how I did this. We don't need Oli anymore. So let's close our Oli. Here is my key generator folder. And here are those files. And to compile those files, I use MASM32 compiler using the batch file to compile. You can see the code here. Here is the main algorithm of the key generator. I just read it. I just take it from the installer of game itself. Here is randomize function, which allow you to generate more random values of key. Here is my function that that repair the problem with the zeros and the zero at the last part of keygen. I mean this one. And now if and now this function allow you to generate the key that have here even 4 zeros. This function copy a hex value into decimal, and here is the core of the keygen file. Okay. So now let's compile the file using the batch file. Let's compile our keygen by clicking make bat. Everything seems fine. And here is our newly created file. Let's launch it. And as you can see, everything is fine. You can use any of those keys. Every are working correct. So I hope you like this video and see you next time.